Welcome. In front of me I have Realme C3, and today I will show you how we can change the animation speed of the apps, open it and closing apps, or just going for the settings. So at the first, let's go for the settings and then find home screen and wallpaper. When we are here, we have to scroll down, and here we get the app animation speed. So just simply open it, and as you can see here we got the three available options: fast, normal and slow. Currently it's set up as the slow, so when you close this up, that's how it goes, and when you change for the fast, it's slightly faster, as you can see. And of course here we can set up also the medium. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.